Okay, how does that look, everyone? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is gonna be an epic drive. How good does this car look here? It just suits the atmosphere and everything. It just looks like a film. No, this looks like it's in Forza or something like that. So everyone, you joined me in this video driving this BMW M4, and I'm so excited to take this car out for a drive. It's a very, very capable car. Doesn't sound that crazy right now, and that's because everything is in efficiency mode. But as soon as I press the M1 button, we're in Sports Plus. And that's with the windows all up. I think this is one of those types of cars where when you're in it and you're driving it around, it feels like theatre. It's very different from my F90 M5, because whereas with that car it feels very subtle, it just does everything. It can do it with no drama. You can go from point A to point B and nobody will bat an eyelid. In this car, even in quiet mode, you can still hear a lot of the tire noise, the stones flicking up, and you could just hear it all coming through the car. And I find that so interesting how it does that. Very different atmosphere. And it's crazy to think that this is only the generation before the M5 and the leap ahead that they've gone with in terms of the performance and everything like that. But yeah, this car's on air ride, which does mean that it's not going to handle exactly the same as a normal M4 would. But again, it's more of a show car build. It's very capable in a straight line. It's still very capable around corners, and you guys will see that in a moment when I take this car on some B roads. You definitely get a lot of tire noise from this car. I don't even know how the microphone's going to pick this all up, because I'm planning to film some real driving, which means I need to fit on the Insta360, which also means I need to fit the mic on in the back so we can properly capture how crazy this car sounds. Honestly, when it comes to filming stuff, I don't think anyone will ever fully realize just how much is involved in doing it all. Right, sync. Hopefully the microphone is synced up now. Let's go for a drive. Now the owner of the car has already told me it's extremely filthy. I said, don't worry about it, the car will still look really good, and I'm pretty sure it still looks really good. I'd rather take the car out for a drive and let you all experience it than miss it all completely. I love the way the pedals feel on this car. The pedals that he's got put on, these carbon fiber ones, they feel so good to use. Again, it adds to the whole theatre of driving this car. Telling you one thing, driving with the Insta360 on the back, no matter how many times I've done it, it always feels very nerve-wracking, because you're just always worried, is it gonna fall off, is this gonna happen, is that gonna happen? So Bismillah, inshallah everything goes okay. The other thing that I really like about this car is the fact that it does have the M1 and M2. The only annoying thing about that though is it's not as easy as the F90 steering wheels are, where it's just the two buttons right at the top. I think that improvement has completely changed how the M steering wheel will be going forward for eternity, basically, because having those two buttons there just completely changes the usability of the car. This is still fine having 1 and 2 on top of each other, but the layer improvement, it just, again, it's small little details, right? let's experience what this M car is like. Got the car set up with a map where turning on because the car is thinking that it's dark. This car is pure theatre. What a car. What a capable car. I personally would definitely change the suspension. I would definitely put something a lot more track focus on this car. Some really good coilovers. Something with adaptability where it's still got the comfort settings on it would definitely make a drivable difference for using the car daily. But I think if you're gonna have the car in a show car way, this is perfectly fine. You don't even need to do it. You don't even need to do any mods. This is the perfect show car now. We've got starlights, we've got full ambient lighting, underglow, grille light, LED, angel eyes now with full RGB on them. This car is super cool. And I really appreciate the opportunity to drive this car. He literally said, take it out, do what you want with it. And he knows that I'm not going to drive his car recklessly. He trusts me with this car. And I think if he watches this video, he's going to enjoy it. Hopefully I'll see you all in a future video. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you then. Bye for now.